right, I mean, check out these colors and effects here. I don't think you can do much better than the beautiful rainbow RGB. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master Masterfan MF140 Halo 2, or Halo Squared. I'm not really sure. I did receive this sample from Cooler Master, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks really nice. Again, this is a 140 millimeter fan. This has RPM speeds up to 1600. It's rated to last over 160,000 hours. Noise level up to 27 decibels. This is addressable Gen 2 RGB with your 4-pin connector. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Looking for a secure and reliable way to access the internet? Look no further than ExpressVPN. Protect your personal information and browsing history from prying eyes. Act now and sign up for ExpressVPN today using our link in the description and receive an extra 3 months of service for free. Here are all the contents. First up, we have your hardware kit, included instructions to use the included ARGB clip to keep the connections together. They also have a male-to-male adapter if you have 2 female RGB cables you're trying to connect together. You also have your 4 fan screws. Lastly, we have the fan itself with Cooler Master's logo and branding front and center. Check out this beautiful design with our dual rings or halos along the sides. And then here's a quick peek at the backside. MF140 Halo Squared, 0 to 1600 RPMs, addressable Gen 2 RGB, 4-pin connector. There's our ARGB, and we have our male ARGB option right there for you. Again, depending on your setup, if you want a daisy chain, things like that, it's possible with this fan. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, so we got our PC built and we have our fan installed. Let's look at it up close. All right, so as we enter into our build right here, you'll notice the fan up at the top. Look at the beautiful rings illuminated on here with our really nice orange glow. Whisper quiet. Whisper, whisper, whisper quiet. You won't even hear this fan. Look at how good it looks there. Now let's turn off the lights and cycle through some of the different colors. All right, I mean, check out these colors and effects here. I don't think you can do much better than the beautiful rainbow RGB. But we're going to keep cycling through some of the different options right here. They look so good. So the fan blades are illuminating and then the 2 rings. It's quite the light show. Gorgeous fans. Again, a lot of different lighting effects. Really just pick and choose what you want. You can use the Cooler Master Master Plus software as well to control these fans. Or a dedicated button like we have here with just the reset switch on our case. It's really up to you. Man, look at them. So bright too. I mean, look at how much these fans are illuminating this case here. Gorgeous. Gotta do the Cooler Master purple. Ooh, the white though, man, with the white case. Ooh-wee. I love that one. Very bright, nice and diffused. And now we're back to our RGB rainbow effects. So that's really it. They're simple and straightforward fans. We just have ours configured with the included hub and we use the reset switch to control them. You could get a dedicated Cooler Master hub. Depending on how you're building your case, you might want to route them differently. You might want to connect them directly to your motherboard as well and control within third-party software. It's really up to you in the direction that you want to go, but just decide, do I want black or do I want white? Do I want 120 or 140? All that will depend on your needs. But if you're going to get one, you might as well swap out all of yours to keep that really cool aesthetic and to make sure everything plays nicely together.